Most diesel owners believe they already know how their engine works. They think diesel engines are slow, tough, and almost impossible to kill. Many people believe that once you buy a diesel, it will last forever no matter how you drive it. That belief sounds good, but it's also the reason many diesel engines fail early. The truth is simple. Diesel engines don't usually die because they are weak. They die because they are misunderstood. There are several important truths about diesel engines that even experienced owners don't know. These truths completely change how you should drive, fuel, and maintain your car. What makes them powerful is that they go against common sense. They contradict the advice most people repeat online, at repair shops, or from friends. Most diesel owners are driving based on old habits, outdated advice, or rules that only apply to petrol engines. Without realizing it, they slowly damage their engines every day. The engine still feels normal, the dashboard looks fine, and nothing seems wrong until the repair bill arrives. But diesel owners who understand these secrets get very different results. They enjoy better fuel mileage, fewer problems, and engines that last hundreds of thousands of miles. Their cars don't feel tired with age. Instead, they often run better than when they were new. Some of these secrets are surprising. One of them involves a habit almost every diesel driver has, and it can cause thousands of dollars in damage if it continues. Let's start with the most shocking truth of all. Secret 1. Diesel engines often get better with age. Most people assume engines are best when they are brand new. They expect fuel economy to slowly get worse as miles add up. That idea makes sense, but diesel engines work differently. In many cases, a diesel engine does not deliver its best fuel mileage when it's new. Many diesel cars actually start getting better fuel economy after 50,000 miles, and sometimes not until 100,000 miles. This happens because diesel engines are built extremely tight from the factory. The piston rings need time to seat properly. Fuel injectors need time to develop their best spray pattern. Internal parts need miles to wear into their ideal shape and spacing. During the early years, the engine is still breaking in. As friction decreases and combustion improves, the engine becomes more efficient. Many diesel owners report fuel economy improvements of 5 to 15% compared to when the car was brand new. This is the opposite of how many petrol engines behave. With good maintenance, diesel engines often continue performing well, far past 200,000 miles. High mileage doesn't automatically mean a weak diesel. In many cases, it means the engine is finally working the way it was designed to. Secret 2. Short trips are slowly killing your diesel. One of the most damaging habits for a diesel engine feels completely harmless. Short trips. The quick drive to work. The short run to the store. Dropping kids at school and driving straight back home. These trips feel easy on the car, but for a diesel engine, they are extremely harmful. Diesel engines need heat to stay healthy. Not just coolant temperature, but oil temperature. The engine oil needs to reach around 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit to burn off moisture and fuel contamination. Short trips never allow this to happen. Moisture builds up inside the engine and mixes with sulfur from diesel fuel, creating acids in the oil. Unburned fuel slips into the oil and thins it out. The oil loses its ability to protect engine parts. At the same time, the diesel particulate filter, called the DPF, never gets hot enough to clean itself. Soot builds up in the exhaust system, intake, and valves. Carbon slowly collects everywhere. You don't feel it happening, but the damage adds up mile after mile. If most of your driving is short trips, your diesel needs help. At least once a week, take it on a 20 to 30-minute highway drive at steady speed. This allows the engine to fully warm up and clean itself. If you can't do that regularly, a diesel may not fit your driving lifestyle. And that's not a failure. It's just reality. Secret 3. Idling is worse than driving. Many diesel owners let their engines idle while waiting. It feels gentle. It feels safe. But extended idling is one of the worst things you can do to a diesel engine. When a diesel idles, combustion temperatures are very low. Fuel does not burn completely. That creates extra soot, which quickly fills the DPF. Oil pressure is also lower during idle, which means weaker lubrication. The engine never reaches full operating temperature, so moisture stays trapped inside instead of evaporating. This leads to sludge, corrosion, and faster wear. Experienced diesel drivers know this well. Truck drivers and fleet operators shut their engines off during breaks instead of letting them idle. After about 1 minute of idling, you've already burned more fuel than a restart would use. If you're waiting for someone, turn the engine off. Your diesel will last longer because of it. Secret 4. Diesels hate being babied. Most diesel owners believe gentle driving extends engine life. They keep RPMs low and avoid strong acceleration. That advice works for some petrol engines, but for diesels, it's backwards. Diesel engines are built to work under load. When you baby a diesel, combustion stays weak. Soot production increases, carbon builds up. The DPF struggles to regenerate. Over time, this leads to warning lights, poor fuel economy, and costly repairs. Diesel engines need occasional strong acceleration to stay clean. Letting the engine rev under load helps burn off carbon deposits and supports proper DPF regeneration. This doesn't mean driving aggressively all the time. It simply means that once or twice a week, like when merging onto a highway or passing another vehicle, you should give the engine proper throttle. Many diesel engines are perfectly fine revving up to 3,000 or even 4,000 RPM under load. When done occasionally, this actually protects the engine. In a strange way, your diesel lasts longer when you stop being too gentle with it. Secret 5. Fuel quality matters more than fuel brand. Many diesel owners swear by a specific fuel brand. But here's the truth. The name on the pump matters far less than the condition of the fuel. All major diesel fuel brands meet the same basic standards. What matters most is how fresh the fuel is and how well the station maintains its tanks. A busy station that sells a lot of diesel every day has fresh fuel with less water contamination. A quiet station may have fuel sitting in underground tanks for weeks. That fuel can collect water and even develop bacterial growth. That contamination goes straight into your fuel system. The smart choice is simple. Use busy stations with high diesel traffic, especially those used by trucks. Clean, well-maintained stations with frequent fuel turnover are always better, regardless of brand. Fresh fuel protects your injectors, pump, and entire engine. Secret 6. Many DPF problems don't need replacement. When a DPF warning light appears, many owners ignore it. Others panic and go straight to the dealer. Too often, the result's the same: a recommendation for full DPF replacement. Replacement costs can range from $1,500 to $4,000 or more. What most owners aren't told is that many DPF problems can be fixed without replacement, if caught early. A partially clogged DPF can often be cleared through proper regeneration. A steady highway drive of 30 to 45 minutes allows exhaust temperatures to rise high enough to burn off soot. Even more clogged filters can sometimes be professionally cleaned for far less than replacement. The real tragedy is ignoring early warnings. Once the DPF becomes fully packed, replacement may be the only option. Early action saves thousands. Secret 7. Running low on fuel can destroy your diesel. This is the habit most diesel owners have, and it's one of the most destructive. Many drivers run their fuel tank down to the warning light before refilling. For petrol cars, this usually isn't a big deal. For diesels, it can be disastrous. Diesel fuel systems operate under extremely high pressure. The fuel itself lubricates and cools the fuel pump and injectors. When the tank runs low, sediment from the bottom of the tank can be pulled into the system. Air can also enter the fuel lines, causing the pump to run without proper lubrication. Even a short moment without fuel can damage the high-pressure fuel pump. Replacing that pump can cost thousands of dollars. The rule is simple: refill at 1/4 tank, never go lower. Final truth: diesel engines are honest, not fragile. All of these secrets have one thing in common: they go against common beliefs. That's why so few people know them. Diesel engines aren't fragile. They're honest. They respond directly to how they're treated. Long drives keep them clean. Load keeps them healthy. Fresh fuel protects them. Quick responses to warnings save money. And keeping fuel in the tank protects the most expensive parts of all. None of these habits cost money. They don't require tools or upgrades. They only require better understanding. The difference between stressful diesel ownership and reliable diesel ownership is knowledge. Once you understand how diesel engines really work, they reward you with better fuel economy, fewer repairs, and years of dependable service. That's the real secret.